Njoki Shege. We start from the corridors of justice in Milimani, where a fresh case has been filed challenging the Adani Group Takeover deal for the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and KETRACO. The case by the Katiba Institute is the latest and even challenges the constitutionality of the Public-Private Partnerships Act. The filing came even as the government challenged the jurisdiction of the High Court to hear the matter. As you'll hear now from Seth Olale, two cases filed earlier over the deals failed to take off.
The 355 billion shillings investment proposal by India's Adani Group for the concession of JKIA and construction of power lines for KETRACO may face further setbacks after a new petition was filed at the High Court seeking to stop its execution. In its petition, the Katiba Institute argues that the Public-Private Partnership Act 2021, through which the dealings were secured, undermines the constitutional framework for checks and balances by excluding parliamentary approval and oversight. Katiba Institute now wants the court to stop the government from taking any further steps targeted at implementing any concession agreement with the Indian firm until the case is heard and determined. The Katiba Institute case was filed even as the government challenged the powers of the High Court to hear and determine a case filed by activist Tony Gashoka, Mount Kenya jurist, and 3 political parties, including Wiper Democratic Movement. Government has argued that the court only enjoys appellate jurisdiction on the matter, and the petitioners have not exhausted other available mechanisms.
The way this Adani deal has been crafted, it has all the trappings of what one would call a state capture.
Shall be seeking consolidation over these cases. Means that Adani will not still do anything until these matters are heard and determined.
It is not a good deal for workers. It's not a good deal for the sector, that is the aviation sector in totality.
Other matters filed earlier over the Adani deals failed to proceed on Monday because the judge responsible was away. The cases will now be heard on the 27th of this month, while that filed by the Law Society of Kenya was pushed to 17th December. However, the orders issued stopping the execution of the deal remain in force until the matter is heard and determined. Seth Olale, Citizen TV.